Smile Jamaica. Jamaica. Good morning, it's a boy Jordan, Congo. Look at now. Na 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 na. Oh, can I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I can't lose none of you. It's crazy. I love you, lady. Okay, I tell her I love somebody. Okay, I tell her when I want you for myself. Okay, I tell her I love somebody. Okay, I tell her when I want you for myself. Level. I guess it's crazy, but I guess that I got to tell you, girl, another lady is having my baby. I know it hurt, but if we try, it can work. Don't cry, I don't want to see no tears falling down your eye. Okay, I tell her I love somebody. Okay, I tell her when I want you for myself. Okay, I tell her I love somebody. Okay, when I want her for myself. Listen to my argument. Me have me girl, but me don't want to lose you. No matter with that come, me just not go choose. Baby girl, me know you're confused. Stop listen to friend, cause them a carry bad news. She say, Jordan, you're unfair. Me say you can't have no man else, girl, I swear. And she say, me she want, but me no want. She a just leave me. Hey, okay. Okay, I tell her I love somebody else. Okay, I tell her when I want her for myself. Na 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 na. Okay, now. Yes, I blessed uprising to each and everyone. I look you know.
Duet with Jadon and the High Cymbal Band. You sound so smooth. Got me in the mood this morning. Love me some reggae music. Yes. Good morning, Neville.
Hey,
the band
morning, everyone. Yeah, great start. Jadon and the High Cymbal Band with us, and they'll be with us all Wednesday morning. We welcome everyone to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Welcome. OneSpotMedia.com, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and Snapchat at SmileJam TVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. Great to have you with us. I pray that the rain has stopped where you are, and I still think you might have to leave a little bit earlier than
normal.
Well, not even normal, because you've been leaving earlier than normal.
But
because
even earlier than.
So
yeah.
You need to leave even earlier now because of the road works and the weather. But it's great to have you with us. And again, we hope you're safe where you are.
You know, I've been thinking with all of the issues with the traffic right now, it's a good time for businesses to start to implement remote offices where you ask your staff to stay home and work from home and test it out. That's the way of the future. Because you know what? I'm trying to go to no meetings. I'm trying to meet nobody before before 9 o'clock. That's for sure. Because I'm not trying to get stuck. But not everybody has that opportunity. So as Neville said,
they mentioned, I mean, for years now, staggered hours, which just means some of us start to work at 6, another set would start at 7, another set would start at 8, and you don't have this congestion on the street all at once.
Yeah.
How are you? How are your youngsters?
Listen, my children are great, the 2 that I gave birth to, and the other 100 at Maxwell Park Children's Home. I hope they're all doing well. I should be seeing them later today, so I want to say good morning to them. And I want you to say good morning to Wheeler.
Who's Wheeler?
Wheeler has been at our home for 20-something years. He grew up at Maxwell Park Children's Home. And I have a feeling that he's watching right now.
Hey, Wheeler.
So I want you to just know, Wheeler, we love you. Good morning, Wheeler. He's our welcome ambassador at Maxwell Park Children's Home. And say hi to Omar. Say hi to Omar.
Hey, Omar.
Hey, Omar. Omar is one of our other older young men who grew up in our home.
Okay.
Yeah, so I want to bless them up this morning. So I had the best Jamaica to the world listening on One Spot Media, Mr. Bell. I had the best weekend at Jake's Treasure Beach. I have to tell you.
Why were you there?
I was a guest speaker for their staff awards, the motivational speaker.
Great.
And can I tell you, I decided to spend the weekend with my family. There's nothing like St. Elizabeth. I mean, Southfield, my Southfield family, love you.
Yeah, I've been there. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And just, you know, I want to say, I'm moving to St. Elizabeth.
Jason.
I need some land. Treasure Beach.
Yeah, it's fantastic down there.
It is beautiful.
All right, folks, let me tell you what's up this morning. We aren't a big Halloween nation, but book. I don't think it's book at the zoo. Is it book at the zoo?
I think it's either book or boo at the zoo.
It's boo at the zoo.
Boo at the zoo.
They've been doing well for the past few years, and we've got a few friends to tell us what to expect in a couple of weeks.
And a couple bags you don't want to miss, my people, my people, my people. What's so special about them is that they're environmentally friendly, and we'll find out the story behind them.
And even more stories to be told by writer Kevin Jared Hussein, who copped the Burt Award for Caribbean Literature. We'll get a bit of fiction in that segment.
And this is fact, not fiction. The HPV, which is the human papilloma virus, is vital, right? The HPV, the human papilloma virus, is vital, the vaccine. But there's usually a few other opinions on this. We get to that later on in this show.
Before we get to that, though, we have some hot topics. Let's go there. Well, I haven't seen this kind of water in Kingston in a long time. There was water, and more water. And again, because of the road works, wow, people were stranded. It took some people 4 hours to get home. That would normally take them like 30 minutes or an hour at the most. It was really ridiculous. It was like gridlock. Everything was shut down. You couldn't get taxis. You couldn't get anybody.
Look at that, citywide gridlock.
It was incredible yesterday. Wow. And some people were out there for a long time. They really were. I remember driving home, and when I was driving in the Waterloo area, I remember looking at some children barefoot walking home and having the time of their lives in the rain. And if we also look in the Gleaner today on page A3, a beautiful picture of the rain pouring and some young men seen enjoying a game of football along Wildman Street. There you go. Beautiful. You see, it can't kill you, the rain, you know. You just have to decide how you're going to act. Now, I want to just say, the local government minister, Desmond McKenzie, spoke to RJR's Beyond the Headlines yesterday and said the situation was compounded
by the multiple roadwork projects taking place in the corporate area. He also added that he believed that impatience by the motorists was also to blame. So, you know, we do become impatient.
Yeah, man, I see a man fly past me at about 70,000 miles an hour and just flash some people, and I say flash the people, from head to toe.
Inconsiderate.
I usually don't wish, well, I don't ever wish anything bad on anybody, but me kind of want him broke down like water. But no, seriously, me really kind of want him broke down like water. Because he was going at 100 miles an hour, and he just flashed. There was a man and a lady, and they just stood there and they just kind of go, really? I mean,
I don't think we consider pedestrians enough, and we need to look at that overall. Yeah. You know, how do we treat pedestrians on the roads?
Yeah, but you know, with even with all that rain, Jamaicans know how to take back things, make sure. Watch this. What is this?
Look at this. Trucks underwater, cars underwater, fridge are floating in the streets, BMWs underwater, Leland underwater, Isuzu's underwater, International underwater, Nissan is underwater, everything is underwater. Look at the no parking sign underwater, even the container shop is underwater. Everything is underwater. Reporting for the Weather Channel.
No, we need to give him a job. We need to give him a job.
I want to know which guy him say BMWs. Him say BMWs.
He said when he said doubles.
Yeah, it's nice. That's nice. That's fun.
Everything is underwater.
Yeah, but that's fun. I mean,
oh my gosh.
That's fun. I just hope our people are safe. I think we have another one, don't we? We have another one? Yep, all right. Well, that's not a nice sight. But again, we were coming in trying to get through halfway through yesterday, and the water was just ridiculous. Apparently, that's Newport West. And look at that. Wow.
How did you know that was Newport West? I couldn't tell.
You know everything.
You go there regularly?
No, I was told, actually.
You were told? I'm like, how were you told and I wasn't told? I'm like, where is that?
Newport West.
Oh my gosh. Now, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
And this is, maybe you don't know, but this is for those into cars. What happens to your car when you have to travel through so much water, like the underneath?
It depends, because
engine?
some cars are sealed at the bottom and the water doesn't get up, but some are not. So if you go through, sometimes even if you go through, but you go through slowly and the water doesn't get all over in the engine, you should be fine. But again, some people think that them can't do anything and them just fly through, which is not.
You know, I really believe that I could watch that video a few more times.
Yeah, that was funny.
Everything underwater.
That was funny.
But we have to keep going. Flood nightmare, it's on the front page of the Gleaner as well. Pick one up today. Condolences to the family of Mighty Shadow. Calypsonian passed away.
Bailey.
Yeah. Boy.
And he was due to receive an honorary
doctorate
from the St. Augustine campus of the University of the West Indies, along with Shibnara and Shandapal. He was among 5 people, honorary Doctor of Laws. He won the Road March in 1974, and in 2001, he was the second person to win both the International Soca Monarch and the Trinidad Road March competition simultaneously, and he did that in 2001. He grew up in Tobago, by the way. He appeared in Trinidad and Tobago, and he was awarded the Trinidad and Tobago Hummingbird Medal, a silver medal, back in 2003.
While we send condolences to the family, and I'd like to also send condolences or send out our support and love to our friends in Trinidad and Tobago who are suffering through the flood waters as well, and all the Jamaicans that are coming together to send aid and to support our brothers and sisters in Trinidad. We applaud you. Keep on going and keep letting us know how we can support you. Now, I know our producer was supposed to play some of this music. You have any of it, producer? Because the young people are like, sometimes we have to play and educate the young
let's
people.
move on while they
Mighty Shadow, look him up.
Humans swallowing tiny plastic particles in food. Apparently, scientists have shown for the first time that we're ingesting microscopic plastic particles. Tiny particles of up to 9 different types of plastic were found in every sample investigated with people from the United Kingdom and 7 other countries taking part. Wow. And it says plastic in your body could suppress the immune system and aid the transmission of toxins and harmful bugs or viruses, the experts believe. He says on average, the scientists found 20 particles of microplastic in every 10 grams of stool.
Now, if we think about how we treat our environment here and how much we throw away our garbage and litter our communities, our sea, our gullies, I'm wondering the fish, Jamaican fish that we buy must have some of these microplastic particles in it. No,
because the plastic goes into the water.
Yes,
the fish,
and the fish eat it and other seafood. Somebody was also saying this morning that if you eat from a styrofoam box, suggested that if it's hot food, that particles also go into it as well. So these are things to consider. And the lead researcher, Dr. Philip Schwabe, also said that now that they have first evidence of the microplastics inside the humans, we do need to do further research to understand what it means for our human health. We're wondering why we have so much cancer, so many sicknesses. We do need to look at that, and let's do our own homework here in Jamaica. That's what's on the front page of the Hot Topics.
I want to say good morning to Marcelino Blackburn, who plays for Harbourview. Saw Marcelino on Monday, was not a part of the game because his young 2-year-old was in a coma in the hospital. Apparently she has sickle cell and something wasn't so right, and she was in the hospital. Marcelino, I pray for her. I hope you're all right. And also to Luton Shelton, who has this incredibly amazing and heart disease, ALS. And Harbourview did a wonderful thing for him on Monday night, and a number of people came out to support Luton. It was great to see you, and I pray that things will work out. I have a strange feeling that things will work out.
Hey, so, miracles do happen.
So to
and
Luton
what an amazing and supportive family.
Harbourview did really, really well. Also want to say good morning to the folks down at Rooms on the Beach in the Grill, to O'Neill, Mario, Maisie, Velma, and the rest of the staff from the cafe. Thank you so much for watching our program. I hear that the staff at Rooms, I'm reading this from my friend Tanya Thurlow, she says the staff at Rooms are the best. They have customer service locked. So again, hopefully I'll get a chance to come down one of these days. So O'Neill, Mario, Maisie, and Velma, and the rest of the staff, good morning, and thank you so much for watching.
Hold on, if we're going to go to the battle of the best customer service, I'm going to tell you, Jake's Treasure Beach, it's on. Jake's against Rooms, we're on, because they have the best customer service.
All right, so let's move on. Happy birthday to Jason Patterson. This is Jason, they call him Whitey. This is from his mom, Kareem, dad, Clive, your brother, Javon, your auntie Karen, and all of us here. There you go. Jason, have an absolutely...
Why do they call my lovely boy Whitey? That's terrible.
That's what I got here. But no, I don't think that's anything.
Hi, Jason. Hi, sweetie.
Hope you have a great day today, and I wish you many, many more.
Can I get to my birthday?
We'll on this one have to read this one.
Okay.
Well, a couple of them. First, blessings to Paul Limey Murray. She says, Ras International and from the music fraternity. I get up the picture. Limey
That's
Murray
from Denise Isis Miller.
Yeah, there is
Limey.
Limey right there. So have a great day today coming from Denise, as you heard, Isis Miller, and from us here. And final one from me is to my bona fide, but I'm going to read it.
You wrote a note to her?
No, it says happy birthday to it says happy birthday to our darling daughter, Simone. And then it says Sim. We are truly blessed beyond measure to have you as our special daughter. You're an inspiration to us. You're loving, kind, caring, hardworking, and selfless. You are positive, charming, and adorable. Well, it sounds like it's me that I talk about. So you're a great daughter, not me. Mom and sister, we love you beyond words. God bless you always and enjoy your days. From your mom, your dad, your daughter Erin, your sister Susan, your brothers Andy and Stephen, and of course, from I and I.
Well, I want to say...
I love you plenty, plenty, plenty.
Yes, and I want to say, Simone, I love you so much too. Woman to woman, we know our little chats. We know what we go through. You work so hard. I admire you. I thank you for always putting your hand around me. Thank you for checking in when you know I may be going through the ups and the lows. You're a dynamic woman. We appreciate every piece of you from head to toe. May God guide and protect you on your journey of life. And we have more.
Lauren Standard, that kill me. Happy birthday to Dwight Hall, who celebrates his birthday. Well, actually, it was yesterday. Greetings coming from Mom Angela, Dad Lawrenston. We call him Soft, but I call him Soffington. His sister Chantel and other relatives and friends. Of course, yesterday was my daughter's birthday. My best friend in life.
Oh, your daughter's birthday was yesterday?
All right, Jake, that's it?
Wait, no, man. Wait, no,
I'll
man.
say this, that's it.
It's not it. What? Jody's mom. Jody's mom's birthday.
Yes, Jody's mom.
Jody, what's your mom's name again?
No, but I write it down right yourself.
Jody's mom. Jody's mom.
Loy Williams.
Loy Williams.
Loy Williams. Happy birthday,
Yes.
Mrs. Williams. And
We
your
love
daughter.
you. And we love your daughter.
Yeah.
And happy birthday to all the children in Jamaica, across the world, who are born today, especially those in state care, in children's home, young people who are waking up today absolutely stressed and depressed. Lift yourself and know that you are worth something. We love you, we hug you, and we celebrate you today. Bless you.
Again, happy birthday.